Welcome to BGM. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to master the Binance app. Okay, how to master the Binance app. So when you open your Binance app, this is how it's going to look like. Now at the top left corner, um, that face there. Of course, if your account is verified, it's going to be showing verified here. If it's not verified, it's going to be showing unverified. So you have to verify it first. That's for those that are just starting to use the app. Okay, but if you already verified your account and you want to know what the features are for, um, this video is for you. So before we continue, I want you to click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, and also click on the like button. And these things you do is to support our channel so that we grow from height to height. So the first thing first, we see that there are different icons at the bottom part of the screen. And so we see the odds, the ranking list, odds, gainers, losers, 24-hour volume. Okay, these gainers are the ones that over time the coins have been increasing over time. Losers are the ones that coins have been decreasing over time. Then the 24-hour volume, of course, you see BTC and the likes of them. So now let's get used to the app. Okay, those pictures you see these slides that are going up and down, they are actually things that are ongoing, that are actually programs that are ongoing in Binance that Binance has created. And most of this link are also programs that are yet to happen or have happened before now. Okay, so you see here 4th anniversary referral. Of course, you can refer people to your app, and whenever you refer, you get a percentage. Great trading, margin, launchpad, savings, liquid swap, more. And so because of time, we may not be going in depth into all the features, but you see here deposit. So if you are in a country that allows you deposits from your bank, you can click on deposit here, and you see you can change from currency to a lot of currency. There's Turkish lira, there's euro, there's Kazakhstani tenge, Australian dollar, Brazilian real, Hong Kong dollar, and so many of them. So you choose one of these currency of which you want to use to pay. As if you want to deposit with your card or deposit from your bank, then you see this P2P trading. I'll make a separate video about P2P trading so that we'll understand it fully. So now clicking on markets, now you can see favorites. Okay, you can see favorite. This most of my favorite market. Okay, whenever you start trading, your favorite pairs is going to be under favorite. So favorite, you see BNB. Now every market is in pair. Every market is in pair. In crypto, every market is in pair. So you see SAN slash BNB, ASX slash BNB, and so many other coins slash BNB. Now you see BTC. Now BTC, you see ETH slash BTC, BNB slash BTC, ASX slash BTC. So this is just pairs. Like a market is always in pairs. So these are just pairs of market, and you see odds BNB slash ETH. So in crypto we have BTC and altcoins, BTC coin and altcoins. BTC is like the father of all coins, then altcoins are all other coins that are coming up and the ones that are already there. And so you see fiat. These fiat are stable coins. They are stable coins. So you see USDT, they have USDT, they have BUSD, they have AUD, they have a lot of so many. They have NGN and so on. So now this is on sports. On futures, you see BTC, USDT, perpetual, that is for favorite. Then USDM, BTC perpetual, ETH perpetual, SRP perpetual, LTC, USDT perpetual. Okay, then from CoinM. Now the difference between USDM and CoinM is that whenever you're going to trade on futures for USDM, you're going to be using USDT to get whatever coin you are trading for. Then this CoinM is that whenever you're going to trade on futures using CoinM, it means that you're using the coin. You're going to trade BTC. It means that you're going to use your BTC to trade for USD or BTC to trade for BUSD. that is how it is. So this is zones, and this is all zones. You have innovation, DeFi, proof of work coins, NFT, proof of stake coins, BSC, storage, Polkadot, ETF. There are so many opportunities between this DeFi and also NFT. So if you can study those DeFi and NFT, you can make a lot of money from crypto. That is it. So trades. You get trades. You can see at the top here, you see convert. This is where you convert your crypto. So you can convert your BTC. Maybe you want to convert from BTC to USDT. So you choose BTC at the top to USDT. You put the amount that you want to convert. Put the amount that you want to convert, or you put the amount that you want as USDT. So imagine you want 20 USDT, you put that, you preview conversion, and it will tell you that okay, 20 USDT is costing you 0.0005919 BTC. Okay, so it's showing insufficient balance because I don't have BTC there. So 1 BTC is equal to 33,700 USDT. So that is for convert. Then this spot is actually where you buy coins, and you also buy them in pair. So we are using USDT or BUSD. Those are the two stable coins on Binance, the most common two stable coins. So you're using either USDT or BUSD to buy a coin. So you can actually see a list of coins here. You see them. I told you market is in pairs, so you can see BNB, BTC, odds, fiat, ETF, zones, and all that. So the margin is quite different from spot. Margin means that you're actually borrowing money to do a trade. So imagine you have $10 and you want to trade on spot, and you put 10x. It will not be 10 times 10. That you are not trading with $100 instead of your initial $10. And so, but if you're going to use margin, you're going to make sure that your trade, you have done your technical analysis very well, and you know that your trade is going to favor you. And even if your trade is not going to favor you, there's something called risk management, of which you can manage your risk by not using the total amount of your money, but by using either 10%, 2%, 5%, as the case may be. So you have fiat. Like I said, you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto through fiat, and there are lot of other currencies that you can use to buy crypto or sell crypto. Then P2P, of course, I said I'm going to make a video concerning this P2P because it's not going to be easy. Because of time, I want us to move through all the functions. So this is our home. Now we are going to futures. So as you see, I'm on a trade right now. Okay, so futures, like I told you, USD is you're trading your USDT. So this is where you see your USDT. This arrow here, this two arrow here, is where you see. So when you click on this two arrow, you send USDT from your spot wallet to your futures wallet before you can trade on futures. So I will make a separate video on future trading. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you can get updated when we post new videos. So this is future. So I'm currently on 2 trades right now, and you see that the 2 trades are in my favor, even if it's not that I've not gotten to the point I wanted to get to what is in my favor. So this is futures, this is coin M. So I told you, you see this Ethereum. So whenever I want to trade on coin M, I have to transfer Ethereum from my spot wallet to my coin M wallet before I can trade here. Now you have wallet, you have overview, you have spot, you have margin, you have futures, you have P2P, you have earn, you have pool, you have pay, you have gift. Okay, so now this is overview. This is all your wallets summed up in one page. Now this is your spot wallet. Your spot wallet is basically about the trades you do on spot. So you see I have Tron, I have Sushi, I have BNB, and these are just the 3 coins I have. So margin, then futures. Of course, your future wallet is going to be showing you how much you have in your futures account. So that is it. So you have P2P, you have P2P there. So whenever you buy a coin, it will first be paid into your P2P wallet. Then from here you transfer. You click on transfer and transfer to your spot wallet. Then from your spot wallet, either you buy coins on spot or you buy on futures, so you have to transfer to your futures account first. So okay, there's something called staking in Binance. Something called staking in crypto. So right now I staked my BNB and I staked it for about 30 days. So this is the interest. This green value here is the interest that has come as a result of staking this amount of BNB. So pool is also another form of staking. Pay where you borrow and pay your crypto loan. Then gifts. Okay, Binance gift. This is actually a new addition to the Binance app. So Binance gift card. So Binance also give gift card. So it said create a gift card and send it to your friends now. So that is all about Binance on phone. Then in case you want to look for coins, you can click on the search button and type the coins you want to collect. So imagine you want to look for rep USDT. So click on rep USDT, you see rep USDT. Now this coin is one of the coins that you will hold if you want to do long-term trading on any coin. This is one of the coin I encourage you to buy, rep/USDT, and hold it for as long as possible. And in my description link box, you see a link to my Telegram channel where how you can get free signals and how you can get crypto news also. So you can also go down there and click on the link to join my Telegram channel. It's free, and you will learn so much and you also get to trade much. Thank you very much. So yes, I think we have come to the end of the class, though it was short, but it was useful. And so when you click on more on the home page, you see a lot of other options. This is where you can save, stake, pay, crypto loans, pool, liquid swap, card. Every function here has a way of giving you money, mostly the ones in finance, under finance, and all these functions has a way of bringing money to your account if only you know how to use them. So keep on looking up to the channel. We'll bring you more news as time goes on. So don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have not liked the video, please like the video.